Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Thank you guys yet again for watching this week's video. In this week's video I wanted to do more fall inspired treat, so I picked up some things from the store and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an iced pumpkin spice latte, especially with the holidays and everything coming around. Pumpkin spice is one of my favorites, so I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. First thing you're going to be needing is your coffee. So I picked this up at Safeway. They had this Starbucks pumpkin spice blend. Next I'm going to be getting my coffee ready. So I use the Breville coffee maker, and this is by far my favorite coffee maker. I did use about 2 cups of water, filled it up, and then I went ahead and set my timer, put my coffee grounds in, and got it started. Alright guys, how I start by making my iced coffee is that I add about a half a cup of ice, and I like using the cubed ice from Sonic. That is my favorite. So then I'm going to grab my coffee and I'm going to pour the mixture in. And I like about that much coffee. Alright, and then I'm going to be using for creamer the pumpkin spice latte creamer, and this is from Starbucks. And we're going to be pouring that into our mixture. And I like a lot of creamer, so about that much. And then I'm going to use a little stir stick, and I'm just going to mix that up. Alright, now that our coffee is ready, I'm going to go ahead and top my coffee off with some pumpkin spice whipped cream. And again, I found this at my local Safeway. Super affordable, under $3, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top if it allows me to do so, but it is so good. It's nice and creamy, and it's not overpowered by pumpkin flavor. Now this part is optional, but I do enjoy caramel, so I did add a little bit of a caramel drizzle on top because fall vibes, why not, you know? Alright guys, look at this beauty. I'm not gonna lie, not just because I made it, but it's so delicious. So good. Try it out. I'm probably gonna be sitting here and drinking this all day, but it's so big, but it's so good. Like, and yet again, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and we are fairly close to reaching our 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm so excited. Make sure to stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll be posting the giveaway information this week following this week's video. Everything is linked on my IG. Follow me at kpsweets_. Make sure you follow me so you can know. But thank you guys yet again for watching this week's video. I'm just gonna sit at this little corner all day and really just drink iced coffee because it's that good. Do you see these baby hairs? Just kidding. I should do my hair really quick. I mean, it's done, but I don't like it in my face, especially when I'm about to cook, or in this case, make a drink. Kind of like this corner. Gives me like real glam vibes. Like, maybe if the coffee machines weren't back there, but I could do like a real photo shoot here. Like, I don't think people do that for photo shoots, but you know, it is what it is.